Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you can see my screen?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
All of you can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very small now.
Yes, ma'am.
Please just keep yourself mute. Hey. This.
Color.
Wait for a while.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait for a while. Wait for a while. My computer is not doing well. Doing some problem. Please keep yourself mute. Keep yourself mute. আমরা কেউ রকে বসে আড্ডা দিচ্ছি না এখানে, ঠিক আছে? So up to this, more minimize. One answer is shown over here. Rest of the answers also you have to show by yourself. Okay. So please copy these questions very fast. After that, I'm going much more things are there. So I'm going over there. Copy these things very fast. You should copy, all of you.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Only seeing that standard 6. Yeah, folder.
Standard 5 like this.
Now,
No,
Same folder.
Ma'am, we are seeing your file manager. Yes, ma'am.
now,
Good afternoon.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now it is okay.
now it is okay though.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, we have to write only that question 8. That true false.
No, the first one. These things.
Ma'am, it is not showing properly that 7.
See
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Now it is showing. See?
Now it is okay. Ma'am, you can do one thing. You can show full worksheet.
Full worksheet that is in JPG format. Okay. While I will upload, that will be fine. Okay. I will upload the entire worksheet with the answers only. But here, because some of you are doing it the class from phone, if I'm showing in the small format now, who are doing from phone, they have to work very hard to see. That is, as I'll resume the recording. So this type of problem, whatever you can see in the question number 7, this type of problem was there in your book. Okay. So problem was what? Problem was like that numbers was written over there haphazardly. Haphazardly means small number was there. After that, big number we are writing, means not maintaining the order, increasing or decreasing. But while we are drawing or while we are plotting the numbers, smaller numbers comes on the left of the bigger numbers, right? All of you can remember all those things. So here, here all of you can see that here, whatever the sums are given, here suppose this type of sums are given, this, this, means which number will come to the left of what number, that things you have to means visualize. Visualize means we can draw this much of big number on the number line, right? কারোর পক্ষে পসিবল নয় যে 300 এর পর আবার 300 থেকে 400 অব্দি একটা নাম্বার লাইন বানানো, তাহলে that exam will be gone over there. Okay, so very easy. We will just here keep one thing in our mind, that on number line smaller numbers are sitting, I'm writing sitting, okay, sitting on the left of and you know this one, the docs file I have uploaded one day, that concept of number line, that here this thing was there, means in the property. Okay, so number line, এবার একটা জিনিস মনে রাখতে হবে, নাম্বার লাইনটা আমরা ধরবো কিভাবে, যেভাবে আমরা খাতাটা ধরেছি সেই দিকের বাঁ দিকটাই আমার বাঁ দিক, সেই দিকের ডান দিকটাই আমার ডান দিক, মানে আমার যেদিকে ডান হাতটা আছে সেটাই ডান দিক, যেদিকে বাঁ হাতটা আছে সেটাই বাঁ দিক। Is it clear to all of you? So number, if the number is greater, if the number is smaller, like seeing those things only, we can just do all these kind of problems. So write down the problem, solve it, is at least solve one, rest of the problem no need to solve now, back at your home also you can do. So we will go to the next, means many two more pictures are there I need to cover, but from tomorrow onwards on this class computer will be starting. There I couldn't get any time to just say what, just make another worksheet. So the numbers we use for counting are known as. Yes, tell
Ma'am,
me.
we cannot see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Same problem, same problem.
Yes, ma'am. I cannot see this.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that question 7 was complete. Show the question number 8.
8 I will upload. 8 mostly we have covered up in the previous two worksheets. Okay. So here you can see that the numbers which we use for counting are known as natural numbers, the answer. Okay, because in the reality, okay, suppose I'm telling you that, suppose I'm just giving you one example. সাপোজ আমি কাউকে জিজ্ঞেস করছি এই তোর কাছে কত টাকা আছে, সে বললো আমার কাছে কোনো টাকা নেই, কিন্তু আমরা এরকম বলি না যে আমার কাছে 0 টাকা আছে। আর ইউ গেটিং মাই পয়েন্ট? So in reality we are just figuring it out from the number 1. Null concept we are taking it as it is null, but we are not using 0 instead, right? So that is why the answer is here. You can see that the answer is here. They are considering it as the natural number. Okay. The
7 what?
What?
Ma'am, number 7.
Rest of the answers I will upload. Okay. That entire page, entire JPG for picture I will upload. Wait for a while. Are you going to catch Rajdhani or something like that after this class? No, though. Wait. Just what I am saying now, listen to it. The product of a whole number and 0 is obviously 0. We know that, and the 0 is a whole number. Okay. Here explanations are also there, and explanations are also very nice. The sum of two natural number is always a natural number will come. Okay. Here, this kind of questions, if it is coming.
Showing that, ma'am, it is all are examples.
These all are MCQ type questions. These are actually known as MCQ, means multiple choice questions. In exams one, suppose one, after this type of all the options will be there. Okay. Now here natural numbers, so you know prime numbers, composite numbers, rational numbers. Do you know? জানো প্রাইম নাম্বার, কম্পোজিট নাম্বার, রেশনাল নাম্বার এগুলো কি?
Yes, ma'am.
প্রাইম
Yes,
নাম্বার
ma'am.
মানে
Natural number is 0.
oh, natural number is 0. I will give you a tight slap. Only then you will see that 0 is gone out from natural number. Natural number is always starting from 1, 2, 3. Prime number means prime, composite and rational. Prime number means here suppose 13 we are taking, we can further divide it. Okay, only if we are going to consider 1 and 13 are two factors. These type of numbers are known as prime. Composite means suppose I'm taking 9. Okay, 9 factors are what? 1, 3 and 9 itself. So without 1 and 9, 3 is another factor. So this type of numbers are known as composite. And next we are coming to rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers means what? Rational numbers means if the numbers we can write in the p by q form with a given condition q not equal to 0, because আমরা পড়েছি যে q যদি 0 হয়ে যায়, something divided by 0 হয়ে যায়, তাহলে সেই জিনিসটা কোনো ডেফিনেশন হয় না। তার মানে কি? So 1/2 if we are going to take, or suppose I'm taking 11/1. See, every natural number we can just consider it as a rational number. If we can write in this format, that is rational number. Means you can consider it as our fractions. No need to write anything, everything will be uploaded. Okay. So sum of two natural numbers, how we will solve this kind of question? This kind of questions will be solved better by giving example analysis. Example analysis. Okay, example analysis means what? You can see that here all those things are there. How they are just analyze the problem, we will solve like that. What are whole numbers between 0 and 5? We all know, I am not going to discuss this. The number with which when 10 is multiplied, the product becomes same. So 1 এর সাথে আমরা যাই গুণ করি না কেন, আমাদের নাম্বারটাই ফিরে পাবো। ঠিক আছে? So here 1 is having another name, multiplicative identity element. This is 1, 6a. So here what we have learned? We have learned learned over here that natural number, again I'm repeating, natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3. Whole numbers why this is happening repeatedly? All of you can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can see yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in first question, we told that number the rational numbers and the three irrational numbers that we don't know.
Irrational numbers here too. Irrational numbers I will see and
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
tell. Okay, because I forget the irrational number also. Irrational means suppose which are not rational, means which numbers we can't write in this format. But I will see and I will tell. I'm just now only I'm seeing. Okay, here natural number. After that, what was there? After that, here what concept you know? Here whole number, since I can't use my pen, so I'm writing like this. Whole number you all know. that whole number is starting from 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, all those things. After that, what we have learned over here, that multiplicative identity. This is a very important concept over here. Okay, I can say this is a multiplicative identity. Means 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, and multiplicative identity means 1. What? 1 is the multiplicative identity. Means with 1, suppose I am multiplying a number of 20 digits. Okay, the number will come itself. Okay, means যত বড়ই নাম্বার হোক না কেন, যাই নাম্বার হোক না কেন, আমরা যখনই সেটা 1 এর সাথে গুণ করব, সেটা আমাদেরকে সবসময় 1ই ফেরত দেবে। এই সরি, নাম্বারটাই ফেরত দেবে। That is why 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Okay, up to this everything is clear? I think so. Up to this everything is clear? Okay,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just clearing those all things. These things I will upload. Please keep your side mute. So up to 6 we have done. After that 7, 8, 9, these are very easy self-explanatory means example I can say. So 7, 8, 9, you just see and tell me that is there any kind of problem or what? Product of two even number. Okay, here small number is there. Consider a bigger number. Suppose take 12 and 16. Multiply it and see what is the last digit. Means one's digit is what? One's digit, you know, so even number and composite number, even number and odd number. If you don't know, wait for a while. I am just telling.
Ma'am, we know the even number and composite number.
Okay, irrational numbers means here you can see, okay, irrational numbers which are not rational, I told, but the main concept is irrational numbers. They write like this: √2, √3. Means if we are going to consider 1 point something, many more digits will come, and this will never ending process. Okay, so this kind of numbers are called as irrational numbers. Okay, so is it clear now? First,
Yes,
7 is okay. Product of two even number is always a even number. Why? Because consider 12 into 12. 12 into 12. See here, it is coming as 144. Okay, so this last digit is 4. So this is a even number, you know. Okay, so even number
Can I
means,
tell the difference of even number and odd number?
okay, I'm writing. Even number means ones place number will be what? 1 place numbers will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And one more property is something like that. These numbers can be
Even
divided
number
by
can be divided, but
by
odd number
2.
cannot be
By
divided.
2. Okay, but odd numbers what? Rest of the numbers are odd
Cannot.
numbers. Okay,
Cannot be
which are
divided.
yes, and this property is not there if the ones place is ones place. So rest digits will be sit over here: 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And necessarily it will not divided, it will not be divided by what? By 2. It will not be divided by 2. Is it clear? The quotient of 25 divided by 1 is what? It is very easy. Okay, so I'm just closing these things. I have just taken the screenshot already. I will upload it after this class. Can I clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Today something is means doing some kind of problem means many times I'm sharing the screen, but when I'm closing something, now here you can see one more kind of problem, suitable arrangement.
Ma'am, we cannot see.
I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
one thing I left while I was just finishing your syllabus, only see up to this, rest of the things you will do. Suitable arrangements, addition and product. Okay. That means what? Means in your book, this type of problems was not there. In your book, some rubbish kind of problems they have given. Suitable arrangement means here you can see while I am just, let me annotate the screen first. These sums you consider 363 and 837. While we are just considering it, this is coming as 1200. Means when these are zeros now, this means solutions becomes easier. This is called suitable rearrangement. Here you can see means ones place, 100 place. Our motto is mainly so to do the sums accordingly so that one place, tens place, more zeros are should come. Suppose here consider these 50 and 2. So when it is coming 100, this with the multiplication with this bigger number is not will not bother us, right? See this sum. 4 and 25 they have multiplied first so that 100 came, and this multiplication will not bother us. So this kind of problems are known as by suitable arrangement, and we should do. Okay, so only up to this I have to say. Okay, after that I will wait. Afterwards, whatever is means nothing is left, more worksheet I will give. Okay, so that everything will be in a means you all understood nicely. Now you all say me that properties all of you understood very nicely, or one more videos you want, because I am thinking to just make a separate video, not in your class, make a separate video on the properties of those numbers so that you will better understand all those things. Is it okay?
Yes,
Ma'am, make a
ma'am.
separate video.
Yes,
Yes,
because
ma'am. Make a
yes,
separate
yes,
video.
yes, yes, yes. I will make that video and I will upload it. Give me 2-3 days time. Today I have a plan to do that. So, and yes, I am just stopping this screen share. Everything will be
Ma'am, I
uploaded.
have one problem.
Which problem?
I
On
have
top.
one problem.
Tell me, tell me, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, page number 20, that find that product.
Page number 20 in your book. Wait, let me open your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Hard copy I'm opening. Soft copy today no, I'm not opening. Page number 20. Which problem?
Ma'am, that find that product. Ma'am, in
Are
which time we
problem
have
number,
to do?
problem number. First tell me the problem number.
Ma'am, problem number is that 16.
16. Find the product. Yes, this kind of
Yes, ma'am.
product you will take out as suppose 45 is there. 40 plus 5 means using the distributive law over addition. Like this way you can just take out.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, in our book, in example, ma'am, there is also subtraction. Ma'am, I don't understand that, ma'am, in which time we have to do addition, and ma'am, which time we have to do in subtraction.
Okay, okay.
যেন কিছু লেখা আছে দেখা দেখতে পড়ে যাচ্ছে
Okay. So please others please keep yourself mute. Okay, here you are facing the problem. Yes, this was a question to all of you mostly, because these things I need one more class to make you understand. Okay, so let me take the attendance. Afterwards you all can means leave. Okay, one more day I will take it and I will just tell those things. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
just wait for a while. Don't leave the class now and don't raise your hand. Everyone, please keep yourself mute. Your name will be arranged for that. Please keep yourself mute.